Hi students, this is Mahalakshmi. Today I am going to teach factorization topic. In that fifth subdivision, factorize the following expression. The question is p square plus 6p plus 8. Here, how to factorize means no need to use identity or taken out the common factors that and all. So this is different method and it is very important till grade 12. Okay, so observe very carefully. So what you are going to do means p square plus 6p plus 8. Here 8 is the product of the root and 6p is the sum of the root. Okay, so what are the two numbers to make the product 8? Your answer should be 8. What are the two numbers to make the sum 6? Okay, sorry, 6. So if you multiply two numbers, then you will get 8. Then if you multiply two, you add two numbers means the sum will be 6. So what are the two numbers? 4 and 2, right? Because 4 twos are 8 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is the factor. Here P alphabet is using, so I'll use P. So 4P and 2P. And here 6P also in positive, 8 also in positive. So you take both positive numbers. So 6P you should write as 4P and 2P, right? So you write p square, write as it is. P square and 8 don't change, you write as it is. Just write in between the numbers as 4p and 2p. So 6p you should write as 4p and 2p, and then write the last term 8 as it is. Okay, so look at the first two terms, which is common. P is common, and write the remaining terms p plus 4, and copy down the first factor again, and then plus is given, so I'll plus. Compare these two terms. P plus 4 already written, so which will what are the other numbers you write? 2. 2 into p is 2p plus 2 fours are 8. So here which are all common factors? P plus 4 and p plus 4 is common, so this is one of the factor, and p plus 2 is the another factors. Okay, if you multiply both these terms, you will get this expression. So that is the checking method. If you multiply these two terms, I will just multiply and show you. P into p is p square plus p into, so you just multiply like this. Okay, p into 2p is 2p, then 4p plus 4 twos are 8. Again, p square plus 4 plus 2 is 6p plus 8. You got the same question, right? Then only your factors will be correct. Okay, so this is the easy way to check your answer. And then second question, q square minus 10q plus 21. Here your product number is 21, and um, your sum is negative 10. Okay, sum is negative 10. If you multiply two numbers means your product will be positive 21, and if you sum is negative 10. So what are all the numbers? 7 threes are 21 and 7 plus 3 also 10, right? But you change the sign. So 7 into 3. So 7 threes are 21. Negative 10 means what will come? Minus 7 minus 3 is negative 10, right? So you take minus 7 minus 3. Here alphabet Q is used, so you put Q. Okay. So in between minus 10Q is given. Instead of this, you should write negative 7Q and negative 3Q. So Q square minus 7Q minus, or okay, 3q, and then write the last term plus 21. No need to change this. Okay. So in that first two terms, q is common, and write the remaining term q minus 7. Just copy down the factor, and then here in this two terms, which is common, q minus 7 already written, so 3 is there. So I just keep and check. Minus 3 into q is minus 3q, minus into minus is plus 21. So what are all the common factors? Q minus 7 is one of the factor, and q minus 3 is the other factor. If you don't know means, you just multiply these two terms and check the question will be means the your factors are correct, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, then p square plus 6p minus 16. So here your product is negative 16, right? Your product is negative 16, and then your sum is positive 6. So what are all the numbers? 2 8s are 16, right? 2 8s are 16. But here negative is given, and here positive 6. 8 minus 2 is 6, right? So what are all the numbers? Plus 8 and negative 2. So this is the factor. Negative 2 and positive 8. Okay. 2 8s are negative 16, and the negative 2 plus 8 is positive 6. Here p is given. So you write p. And then p square. Instead of 6p, you should write minus 2p plus 8p minus 16. Okay. So which is common here? P is common. Write the remaining term p minus 2. You just copy down p minus 2. And here plus 8 is there. So check 8p minus 16. So which are all the common factors? P minus 2 and then p plus 8. Multiply this both terms. You will get the question again. Then your answer will be correct. So in this way you had to find the sum of the root and product of the root, students. Got it? Thank you.